I don't know what I look like because I can't see my screen, but it is 9:02. I'm taking the trash out because is there anything even in here? It's trash day. I don't know if they took any yet, but I'm gonna take it out anyways. I have another COVID test today, and I'm going to the mall with my girlfriend and Pumbaa. Just for like an hour or two, I don't know. Just because there's no literal reason. Okay, so right now I am doing homework because I don't really know what else to do. I think our appointment is at 10:30 for the COVID test. And I'm supposed to see my girlfriend like at 11:30, which is fine. I'm not worried about that, but yeah, I'm taking the test right now. I have an hour to do it, but it's only 10 questions, so but yeah, we're just kind of at a standstill again. It's all just a really big mess, and I don't want to like say anything until like my mom says whatever about what has led up to this trip and what is still leading up to this trip. It's just a lot, and you know, it's really frustrating, but yeah, it's kind of hard to just not like to say anything but not say anything about it, because I want to like respect what my mom thinks. I weighed myself for the first time in like 5 months, which I haven't done since I started working out consistently, just because I don't think about it and I don't really care. I try not to just care about that, and I weigh 111. I'm on an empty stomach, and all I'm wearing is this hoodie, so I think if I took the hoodie off it would be like points less, but I weigh 111. I thought I weighed like 115 this whole time, but yeah, that's what's going on. Alright, so I did 2 assignments. One of them was statistics. Still have my huge assignment, but I think I'm gonna put it off until tomorrow still, because I don't want to do it. Shut up. So I have 3 assignments left. I have a quiz for statistics, a practice exam for statistics, and interview assignment, which is the 75 points one. So I think I'm gonna do the practice exam right now, and then I'll do the quiz, and then I'll do the big assignment tomorrow that is due December 5th. Okay, I got 4 out of 5 on my practice exam. Gotta love Google. But I'm gonna change real quick to whatever to get my COVID test. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I think I'm just gonna take a pair of sweats out of my bag because I have none, and I'm not wearing shorts again. This hoodie is amazing. I mean, it feels like my other ones, but it's just so like cozy. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Okay, so we just went to take our COVID test, and I wanted to record it because I said I would, and it was so frantic because of the IDs, and then there were so many people behind us, so we just didn't do it again.
And now
we forgot. So then tomorrow. Sony was like, you could just do it tomorrow because we're getting a 3rd one tomorrow. So, and right now we're getting food to film. Green wet burritos.
Oh yeah, I should record that.
Selena's not in the mood to be here. Hello. So this is our wet burrito. The cheese is not melted. I don't know why. And we got chips and a bunch of salsa. And it's just the same burrito under. Selena is watching Shrek 2. I just fucked dogs. And I'm gonna drink coffee because I need that. I'm gonna take some to my mom. Oh, wow. Wow. That desperately needs creamer. Turn that down real quick.
No.
Turn it on. I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm sitting with Kayleigh. Say hi.
Hi.
I got your good angle. Okay, so I didn't vlog once in the mall. Not once. Literally didn't even... I took out my phone to text my mom, and that's it. So that's fun. But we went to Hollister, we went to Tilly's, we went to Starbucks. Where else? We went to some like...
Hot Topic.
Oh yeah, we went to Hot Topic.
Chinese store.
Like a anime store, like a bunch of anime stuff for Pumbaa. She got a little cat. I'll give you a whole haul and everything. Me and Kayleigh got matching shirts. When we got matching, I'm covering the sun so you can see. She got the same one, yeah. And then I got really expensive. Say, go show me again. Okay, I got really expensive pants at Hollister too. They were not what they said.
How much were they?
Look at that. Did she put the... Oh, she sent it to my email. Where's my phone? Okay. Oh, that's my phone.
But if they're not... If they were as much as they said, that means that she charged you the wrong price.
No, I asked too.
There was 2 different kinds. Ones were faded and ones were...
I got the wrong
You
price.
got the no fade ones. So these are
Yeah.
going to be like the nicer ones.
These were, I think, 62. Something like that.
Well, it's not too much more though.
Yeah. But they're really nice. I tried them on. Kayleigh said they looked nice, so I got them.
Like that big.
And then Puma got this straw at Starbucks. We don't know what happened, but...
It literally got sealed on
Yeah. Oh, she's gone. Wait. She was gonna lick my face.
No, I wasn't really going to.
You've never done that
nasty.
before.
No.
You wouldn't do that.
You're sweaty.
I'm not sweaty.
You probably sweat today. I don't want salt.
Oh, could you? She's gonna kill us. Beautiful, lovely.
It's like my turn.
Oh my god, how do you do that?
She's strong.
I know.
He's loving it. In the burrito because circumstances. We're not going to discuss those.
No.
We're not going to disclose that information. Our kitchen's clean, I swear.
You're very clean.
Yes, she helped me. What a sweetheart.
Why does it taste like soup?
Like soup? No, it doesn't.
Good soup.
It's probably just soggy because it's been sitting all day.
Yeah.
It is really soft tortilla. I will say that.
Yeah, I kind of like it though.
It's good though. The tortillas are my favorite
I'll take your
part.
tortilla.
I love tortilla.
Oh yeah, we know.
Oh, I ate a frog to my dough.
Ooh. Ooh. Is there guac in here?
I think so. I think that's the creamy part. I'm taking out the tomatoes. I cannot do that. What? Nothing. Oh.
Wait,
Careful.
you said, and she gets scared. She won't get off me.
Is there sour cream in here?
No, there isn't.
And I
That's
wanted
what's
to show you
missing.
something. Hello, isn't that?
You can't even like pick it up because how soggy it is.
Is that mommy's?
No, this is mine. Mommy has hers.
Oh, she brought hers?
What?
Did she bring hers?
No.
She might be hungry.
Probably.
I don't even think of that. They're gonna see me a lot this December.
What?
He wouldn't care that he just, that I can do it tomorrow.
He wouldn't care? Then do it tomorrow. If you know better than me. Look at it. Look at that. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. You have not heard it bad. It's so bad.
A whole bottle.
I know. It wasn't that much before. Go ahead and go, Sonia. Go ahead. We're going to the mail. Me and her with Sonia. Because it's so far. I would show you, but
I remember when you saw it. Yeah, no.
no.
Hello. So I just put on Vampire Diaries. Kayleigh just left right now. It is 6:40. Stop. Kayleigh just left right now. So I'm just gonna finish doing the dishes that she didn't do, whatever she didn't do, and just chill. We are not going on the trip. Yeah. That's a whole nother story that, for personal reasons, I'm not gonna disclose that information, until I know more, because I don't know everything. But yeah. So for now, I'm just gonna watch Vampire Diaries while she does homework. Where's she? Sonia does homework, and Puma's playing Roblox. So I'm just gonna chill here with the dogs. There's one outfit.
Oh.
Here it is.
The money's.
Let me tell you the outfit. Hollister. Wait, isn't that like from eBay or something?
What?
The skirt
Random place.
from some random website. Hot Topic, Hollister, bras, Victoria's Secret, eBay, Hot Topic, and Demonia's. And that is Bowser's Butt.
Types of eyeliner still there.
Literally, I put that eyeliner on like the November 30th. It is December 2nd.
but she's gonna take it off today. Yes. I'll do it again. You can keep it on. It's because it's waterproof, so it doesn't come off. But I'm watching Vampire Diaries. Well, watching a little bit. I just started it. I've seen it like 3 times. I'm eating leftover sushi. That's just hard rice.
It's all of it.
And we're watching Coraline. All right. So I have now been given permission to share, not necessarily her whole life, but what has been going on. I'm not going to give the logistics, but basically Selena's in the hospital with my mom. She's okay as of right now, so it's not anything to be super worried about. I mean, it's worrisome, but like, you know, it's not everybody's business what's going on with her. But as of right now, she's good with my mom. So basically I am here with the kids for the next few days. So I'm basically like the caregiver. I'm basically the guardian of them right now. I am an adult, so it's not like illegal. But I have Sonia and Puma because my dad is over there too. So yeah, that is why I also asked my mom if it's okay that I keep uploading because I don't want to be insensitive or anything, and she said yeah, it's completely fine. So it is worrisome, and I am worried, and I'm a little like on edge, but yeah. So right now I'm just sitting with Sonia and Pumbaa. We're watching Coraline. I showed you guys. And yeah, I might go shower soon. I'm not gonna work out today just because I'm so tired. I didn't freaking vlog in the mall because I was so worried about Celine because I didn't know anything yet, and literally it just happened today. So I was just worried the whole time, and I didn't think to film. But now, you know, everything's set, and whatever is going on over there, of course I'm not there, I don't know everything. I just know whatever my mom is telling me. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I got from the mall, just to show you. I got really expensive pants that I didn't know were that much, but I bought them, and I was like, forget it, it's fine. Me and Kayleigh got this matching shirt. I'm pretty sure we showed you. Is this mine? Yeah. Got this matching shirt. And I got these pants from Hollister. They are really expensive. But they're really nice. They're like those jogger type pants. Like they have a cinched bottom. I tried them on. Kayleigh loved them. I told you guys that. And then from Hot Topic. Hi, baby. My cat. From Hot Topic, I got a nerd rope. No apparent reason, it just sounded good. And this shirt. It is Britney Spears with a snake. There's that. That's all I got from the mall. And it was expensive. The pants were the most expensive thing. And my girlfriend got me this shirt. So. And we got Pretzel while we were there. But yeah, my cat is eating. Close my door. Please let off for her. It is.
What can you do?
It's 10:48. It's 10:48. We FaceTimed Celine at the hospital. That was really cute and sweet. And she spoke and made jokes like she does. So I need to take a picture of me, I think. We're watching the cruise. I think I said that. Pumbaa's eating a wet burrito because we got 2, but we ended up not filming. So Pumbaa's eating my mom's. And we're gonna go to sleep soon. We're gonna watch the cruise 2 tonight, but I have to edit, so I'm gonna do that first. I think I'm gonna drink some coffee because I need to edit. But so now we'll have vlogmas all the way through. Not under good circumstances, but you know. But you guys will get a little insight of like what we do like when I have to take care of the kids. Not that I normally have to, but like I'll take care of them for like a day if my parents are gone or something. But now it's really different because we're missing one. Not missing, but you get what I mean. But yeah. Oh, that's such a cute picture. Aww. It's Wipey sleeping. Oh, she's sleeping like a little turtle right now.
A turtle?
She's either a turtle, a rotisserie chicken, or she's laying down like she paid the rent.
Just like this.
So for now, we're just chilling. We did try to do that like TikTok thing where you look into it and then you look up and then your eyes go like that. I only did it a couple times. Only Pumbaa's really did it. First, we had the fan on, so it was burning our eyes. We were literally like trying to keep them open.
Yeah,
But
it
yeah.
only happens first try for you.
And my girlfriend went to sleep, so I'm just chilling.
I'm just awake.
Just chilling in Cedar
What time
Rapids.
is it? What time is it?
It's only 10:48. We do have to go to bed soon because Sonia has Zoom in the morning. Because she's been missing them, kind of. Because we had all the COVID tests, but now it doesn't matter.
Wait.
Literally, we stuck those things up our nose for no reason.
Oh yeah, I just realized. I was like, wait, why
Yeah.
didn't you guys have them?
So I have to
You're lucky I
unpack.
put those-
So
put
you
those there.
will see me unpack. She's literally the size of me.
Should have taken a screenshot while we were on.
I know, I thought about it, but it's so difficult, and I was sitting like. So yeah, that's what's going on. Nothing too interesting. So I'm just gonna. Kayleigh might come over tomorrow, so that's fun. Because my dad will probably be gone anyways.
Yeah.
So she
it'd
might
be
come chill
fun.
here. So yeah, that's it. That's everything. So I'm gonna go edit. I'm just gonna end this vlog here. Do you want to say goodbye? Good night. Because I'm gonna end the vlog right here.
Good
Bowser
night.
says good night. Puma says good night. Say good night.
Bye.
Bye. Good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It'll be just us chilling. We'll watch movies.
With our boring lives. I'm kidding.
Wow.
We'll see you guys
Boring
tomorrow.
with school, man.